Hey, do you want to learn how to customize those hover action buttons in Notion Mail? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So in order to customize these hover action buttons, like you see here, if I hover on these, I can see the preview of the emails, and on the right hand side, I'm going to find the hover action buttons. So in order to change these or customize them, what I have to do is go over on the top right, I'm going to click on this, the edit view, and inside here, I'm going to find customize hover actions. So if I click on this, I'm going to find the preview on the top, and I'm going to see all the visible hover action buttons. So first of all, I can just move them down like this. You just need to hover on them and then you need to press on it and drag it up or down to reorder these hover action buttons. And if you want to delete them, you can just delete them as well by clicking on the trash can button on the right hand side. Let's say you want to add another hover action button. You can do that by clicking on this on the button, which says add hover action. Let's click on it. And let's say we want to add an unsubscribe button. So we do not have to go inside each of these emails and unsubscribe from there. So I'm just going to add this. Go back, and we got this unsubscribe button. We're going to move it on the top, just click and drag it. And we're going to have the unsubscribe button as our first hover action button. We're going to go back. And now if I try to hover on any of these emails, I'm going to find this unsubscribe button here. So just click on it and you can unsubscribe from that email. And that's it. That's how to customize your hover action buttons in Notion Mail. Did this video help solve a problem? Let me know with a like and comment. And also if you want more Notion tutorials, it's going to show up on the right hand side in the playlist. So see you there and bye for now.